If your sweet corn becomes dry in the refrigerator, tastes bland after boiling, or leaves stubborn silk stuck between the kernels. These 6 simple tricks can make preparing corn much easier. You'll also learn how to turn fresh corn kernels into crispy waffles and how to use corn silk instead of throwing it away. Let's begin with a common mistake that can cause fresh corn to lose its sweetness. Fresh corn is usually at its best when eaten within the first few days after purchase. But if you buy several ears and cannot use them all immediately, this simple storage method can help keep them fresh for longer. The key thing to remember is that too much air can cause sweet corn to lose moisture. When corn is exposed to air for too long, the husk and kernels gradually dry out. The kernels can then become tough, chewy, and mealy, instead of staying crisp, juicy, and naturally sweet. To store the corn, take a clean paper towel and lightly dampen it. Squeeze out any excess water so the towel is slightly moist rather than wet. Place the corn in the center of the towel, gently wrap it, then put the wrapped corn into a zip-top bag. Press out some of the excess air, seal the bag tightly, and place it in the refrigerator. This helps maintain moisture, allowing the kernels to stay crisp, sweet, and fresh for roughly 5 to 7 days. This is a simple method worth trying if you want your corn to stay fresh for several days. It is especially useful when you have purchased more corn than you can eat at once, for corn that you plan to eat right away. Proper boiling is also important if you want the kernels to remain sweet, tender, and crisp. Start by removing the older outer husks, but leave 1 or 2 layers of the tender inner husks, along with the clean corn silk. These remaining layers can help preserve the natural aroma and flavor while the corn cooks. A common method is to remove every layer of husk before putting the corn directly into the pot. However, this can sometimes result in corn that tastes less flavorful and becomes chewy more quickly. Leaving a few layers of tender husk around the corn allows it to cook with more aroma while helping the kernels remain plump and naturally sweet. After preparing the corn, place the ears into a pot. Add enough water to just cover the corn, then add a small amount of salt and about 1 teaspoon of sugar. The salt can enhance the overall flavor, while the small amount of sugar helps complement the natural sweetness of the corn. Cover the pot and bring the water to a boil over medium heat. Once boiling, continue cooking for about 10 more minutes. Avoid boiling the corn for too long, because overcooking can make the kernels less crisp and more chewy. Once the corn is cooked, remove it from the pot immediately and let it drain for a few minutes while it is still warm. The kernels should be plump, tender, fragrant, and naturally sweet. Now, if removing the husk and getting rid of all the corn silk feels like too much work, try this simple microwave trick. It can make removing the husk and silk much easier. First, place an ear of corn on a cutting board and use a knife to cut off the bottom end, cutting about 1 inch above the final row of kernels. Place the corn on a plate and microwave it for about 2 to 4 minutes, depending on the size of the ear. The heat creates steam between the husk and the kernels, which helps loosen the husk and corn silk. This makes the outer layers much easier to separate from the corn. Be careful when removing the corn because it will be very hot. Use a kitchen towel to hold the uncut end. Then gently squeeze and shake the corn downward at the same time. The cooked ear should slide out of the husk, leaving most of the silk and outer layers behind. This trick is especially convenient when you need to prepare several ears of corn at the same time. Once the corn has been removed, you will be left with the husk and corn silk. Don't throw away the corn silk just yet. There is another useful way to use it later in the video. Now that the corn is clean, let's turn the kernels into a delicious corn waffle. This recipe is simple, quick, and easy to make at home. First, separate the kernels from the cob. One easy method is to use a sturdy fork. Place a tray underneath so the kernels do not scatter everywhere. Insert the tip of the fork gently into the gap between 2 rows of kernels near the top of the ear. Then push the fork downward along the length of the cob. As you move the fork down, the kernels should come away from the cob fairly easily without being crushed too much. Rotate the ear and repeat the process with the remaining rows. This method is useful if you prefer not to use a knife, or simply want more control when removing the kernels. Once all the kernels have been separated, place them into a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of flour, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and a small amount of fresh milk. Mix everything together until well combined and you have a slightly thick mixture. For extra flavor, You can add a little melted butter and a small pinch of salt. Preheat your waffle maker and lightly brush the plates with oil or butter to help prevent sticking. Pour the corn mixture into the waffle mold. Close the lid and cook for a few minutes until the outside becomes golden and fragrant. The finished corn waffle should be soft and tender inside, slightly crispy outside, naturally sweet, fragrant, and easy to enjoy. Now for one more useful idea, making use of the corn silk instead of throwing it away. Fresh corn silk can be used to prepare a simple corn silk tea with a light, pleasant aroma. First, make sure the corn silk is fresh, light in color, free from mold, and does not have any unusual smell. Rinse the silk thoroughly under clean running water. Then, allow it to drain well. Place the clean corn silk into a pot with about 3 to 4 cups of water. Bring the water to a boil, then reduce the heat and simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes to release the natural aroma. Corn silk contains naturally occurring compounds, including antioxidants and minerals such as potassium. Once the tea has simmered long enough, turn off the heat and strain the liquid through a fine sieve. You now have a warm corn silk tea ready to enjoy. It can be enjoyed warm for its light, refreshing flavor and gentle corn aroma. If you prefer a sweeter taste, add a small amount of honey and stir well. Corn silk tea has a mild aroma and a light, clean taste. It can also be a pleasant way to enjoy a warm drink after a meal. You can drink it warm or chilled. If you prepare a larger batch, transfer it to a clean bottle, seal it tightly, and keep it refrigerated. For best quality, use it within 1 to 2 days. And those are 6 simple ways to store, boil, peel, remove the kernels from, and make better use of fresh corn at home. Hopefully these tips make preparing corn easier and help you get more enjoyment from this simple ingredient. If you found these tips useful, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more simple cooking ideas. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.